Okay guys, this is the 35th tutorial on xhtml. It's a Friday morning, I'm on a day off. I've made this tutorial 5 times but my browser has been so slow that I decided to pre-make it and show it instead, okay? So today we're going to discuss radio buttons, right? So I want you to put in a form and put in English because we're going to choose a language here. So input, your type is radio, your name is language, because there's both language, and the value you're given this is English. Okay? The next one we're going to put is French. Input type is the radio, name is language, value is the French. Now if I was to run that in my browser, I would either get this, right? English, French. You can only click one button, so you can only take one option. Okay? So you can do this again with mainly with male and female, and then for languages have sex, the value would be the male or female. Okay, very simple guys, very easy to do. It's just easy. Here you go. Yeah, look, English, French. You can only click one button. That's all you can do. So that's just a quick one on check buttons or radio buttons. Just want to show them again. I would have made this in the beginning, but the browser Firefox is just so slow and afraid for some reason. I don't know 4G and all, but it is. But again, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll copy what I've done here and run this yourself and learn from it. Okay, thanks guys. See you then. Bye bye.